Retargeting list won't be a list of individual people with any personal information. Instead, it's an anonymous list of users that match your criteria who can be retargeted with ads. So now that you have defined an audience, any visitor who started to subscribe but didn't finish will be added to the list. Now it's time to create ads specifically for them. These ads can be pretty focused because you know everyone seeing them has already started to subscribe on your website. So you might include things like special offers for extra content, a free gift for signing up, or some other incentive that aimed at getting them to come back and finish subscribing. Once they have subscribed, there is no need to show them ads with subscription incentives anymore. So you might want to create a new targeting list of current subscribers. Then you can target them with a different ad campaign, perhaps convincing them to come back and explore all the other podcasts on offer. So that's how retargeting works. It tracks what people do on your website and then creates an audience based on their actions, letting advertisers design specific ads for people who have or haven't done specific things. Hopefully these spark some ideas of how you might be able to use retargeting for your own business to re-engage visitors, turn them into customers, or bring them back again and again. Thank you very much. See you in the next video series on coding and artificial intelligence for marketing. Stay tuned and wish you all the very best with your display advertising.